Are you looking for the best pizza ovens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pizza ovens. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BakerStone Portable Gas Series Pizza Oven Box. The BakerStone Pizza Oven Box pulls double duty. Since it was originally designed as a box to place on a grill, you can actually detach the top portion from the bottom, firebox, and do your pizza cooking on a grill. The interior of the oven, composed of 5 sides of pizza stones, performs surprisingly well when up against the open flame Ooni Koda and Ghazni rock box. Because the 5 stones maintain and radiate a lot of heat, the pizzas we made came out with a good amount of char and were cooked evenly. We also liked that there are 2 gas burners within the firebox, which each have their own knob, so you can really experiment with the heat of each side of the oven. Gaze into a hole on either side of the firebox, and you can see the flames flickering away, giving a good idea of the heat they're generating. Plus, an easy-to-read thermometer on top of the pizza box lets you keep an eye on your temperature levels while you're cooking. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus. If you are looking to get the most out of your outdoor pizza oven, the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus offers versatility, portability, and performance, and it's one of the more affordable options on the list. In addition to making pizzas with the included 13-inch Corderite pizza stone, this Cuisinart oven functions as a grill with 260 square inches of cooking space or a griddle with 233 square inches of space. Even with all of that functionality, our lab testers were most impressed with how easy this model is to use as a pizza oven and the consistency of the final pies. In testing, it took 15 minutes to reach 600 degrees Fahrenheit at the front of the oven. It features a nice oven-style opening with a lid that folds down, and our testers found it easy to turn the pizzas, which you only have to do once halfway through cooking. This means there is minimal babysitting of your pizzas, but you'll still end up with evenly cooked cheese and crisp crust. When you want to move on to searing steaks, cooking hamburgers, or frying eggs, there's a dual hinge lid you can flip up and down and integrated storage space for keeping the grill grate and griddle plate. At number 3, we have the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. If you prefer cooking your pizza indoors, but don't want to heat up your oven in your kitchen, the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven does the job, and it's fun to watch. The major selling points of this model are its budget-friendly price and portability. The pizza tray rotates continuously to bake the pizza evenly without burning. It heats from both the top and bottom, and the heating elements can be controlled separately. So if the crust is browned before the cheese is gooey, you can turn up the top heat and turn down the bottom heat. In lab tests, it took a while to heat up, and there was some inconsistency in the browning of the crust, but the cheese melted well, and the pepperoni on the frozen pizza cooked up nice and crispy. We like that a timer turns off the heat automatically, so you can walk away without worrying about a burned pizza, and an audible signal will alert you that your pizza is done. The pizza tray is removable and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. You may have noticed a couple of versions of the Presto Pizzazz when browsing for second-hand models. While the packaging and finishes have changed a little bit from time to time, the pizza maker and its controls have stayed essentially the same with every model. At number 2, we have the Onlyfire Universal Stainless Steel Pizza Oven Kit. If you have a gas-fired grill, maybe you don't need another outdoor appliance just for pizza. The Onlyfire Pizza Oven Kit is an insert that is designed to work inside a gas grill, with the lid open. It provides a perfect space for cooking pizza evenly on the top and bottom, which is something you can't do by simply throwing a pizza on the grill grates or on a pizza stone on the grill. The base is 17 inches square, so it's wise to measure your grill to make sure it fits, but assembly couldn't be easier. Pull it out of the box and stick it on the grill. The insert is made from stainless steel with a double-walled roof to keep the heat in, and it has a thermometer on one corner so you can check the internal temperature easily. Our lab testers and home tester agreed that this insert provides much better results than cooking a pizza on a grill by itself. It took about 15 minutes to reach 690 F at the front of the oven, and we found that the PizzaStone held the heat well. This is a low and slow option for pizzas. In testing, cook times were longer than with other ovens. It took us 9 minutes to cook a supreme pizza, but we found the bake to be consistent, and the results were desirable. Our home tester used the Onlyfire kit with her Weber grill as well as a smaller pellet grill with no problems. The included PizzaStone is 14 inches, and a 13.5 inches wide pizza peel is included to get the pizza neatly in and out of the oven. It's also easy to turn the pizza while cooking. And finally at number 1. We have the Ooni Koda 12 gas pizza oven. Ooni is a major name in pizza ovens, so it's no surprise the brand sits at the top of our list. The Ooni Koda 12 is one of Ooni's less expensive models, but after thorough testing both in the lab and at home, we deemed it our best overall choice for a variety of reasons. First, it couldn't be easier to set up and use. Take it out of the box, open the legs, and you're ready to go. This is an attractive oven with a sleek design, no chimney, and 3 legs that keep it stable on any surface. The body is powder-coated, cold-rolled steel with stainless steel accents. Our testers found that it was easy to transport, weighing just under 30 pounds. When it's time to store or travel, the legs fold down. It comes with a stone baking board for the perfect pizza crust, which can handle pizzas up to 13 inches. The PizzaStone is 13¼ inches wide. In lab testing, the Ooni Koda 12 took 15 minutes to reach the recommended temperature. The manufacturer states it takes 15 minutes to reach 950 F, and although we measured the back of the oven at 830 F in that time frame, we felt that was plenty hot and one of the quickest preheat times of all the ovens we tried. With super high heat, the Ooni Koda 12 can cook pizza in 1 minute, which we found true when cooking our whole wheat pie. The supreme pizza we made took just 30 seconds longer. We also evaluated its consistency in producing multiple pizzas back to back with evenly melted cheese and perfectly cooked toppings. Our testers noted that there is a slight learning curve in turning your pizza for evenness, but using a smaller peel helped a lot. This cooks pretty evenly, but you have to turn the pizza every 20 seconds, or it burns. Getting the hang of turning takes a second, but it's easy to make the pizzas once you do. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.